Okay.
Yes, I ordered. Yes. Would you like to see the menu? Yes, please. You can see.
Can you tell me what the special is in your restaurant?
Yes, we have fried rice and grilled chicken and grilled shrimp. Can I have two spicy fried rice with an egg? And what do you want?
A normal stir rice.
How want to like your egg? Can you make it like an omelette, please? Okay, and how about the drink? I would like to have orange juice, iced tea, and red. Alright, your order will be delivered shortly.
Right there.
Come in. Can I have the bill, please? Sir, it is your total is 50,000. Would you like to pay with cash or card?
Yes, please.